The RoadTech H3 combines the road-proven Econokit H1 with the best MiniSet into this potent new roadside solution. Like the H1, it includes electrical tape with spark plug gap gauge, a top grade mini ratchet and socket set with extension bar, thread locker, a spark plug socket, a 6-in-1 screwdriver, WD-40, a range of hex and Torex keys, an LED torch, cable ties and wire, tyre pressure gauge, locking pliers, adjustable wrench, and a range of combo wrenches, all rolled up into a strong carry case for easy storage. All Venhill products are available online at venhill.co.uk.